Hi, today I'm for the MOTOROLA Razr 2022 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while our device screen and then click here to widgets icon. After that we'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calendar widget. Here we can see the full month view and the schedule. To add the widget we should just hold for a while it and after that drag it to our home screen. If you want to resize the widget you should just hold it and after that you can make it bigger or smaller. Just to move the widget on your screen or between the screens or just to create the new screens for the widget, we should just hold it and just drag it. And if you want to remove it, you should hold it and drag it here to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.